Dear friends, today we will learn the English alphabet. Red color. A. A for apple. A for ant. A for apple. A for ant. Green color. B. B for book. B for baby. B for book. B for baby. Purple color. C. C for cat. C for cow. C for cat. C for cow. Yellow color. D. D for dog. D for doll. D for dog. D for doll. Pink color. E. E for elephant. E for egg. E for elephant. E for egg. Red color. F. F for fish. F for frog. F for fish. F for frog. Green color. G. G for goat. G for good. G for goat. G for good. Yellow. H. H for horse. H for hat. H for horse. H for hat. Pink color. I. I for igloo. I for insect. Purple color. J. J for jug. J for jar. J for jug. J for jar. K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for kite. K for kangaroo. Pink color. L. L for lion. L for leaf. L for lion. L for leaf. Red color. M. M for monkey. M for money. M for monkey. M for money. Green color.
N.
N for night. N for noon. N for night. N for noon. Purple color. O. O for ocean. O for octopus. Yellow color. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Pink color. Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. Q for queen. Q for quail. Red color. R. R for rose. R for ring. R for rose. R for ring. Green color. S. S for sun. S for sunflower. S for sun. S for sunflower. Purple color. T. T for tomato. T for teeth. T for tomato. T for teeth. U. U for umbrella. U for uniform. Pink color. V. V for vulture. V for vase. V for vulture. V for vase. Red color. W. W for wall. W for window. Green color. X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yacht. Y for yellow. Y for yacht. Y for yellow. Green color. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra.